Here I've got UMIDIGI One Pro, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first let's open the browser that we are using, then tap on the More icon, which is 3-1 in the right upper corner, and now select History. Here you will notice Clear Browsing Data tab, smoothly click on it, and now you can pick some from Basic and Advanced options. Here you've got them. So under Basic you have Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also Cached Images and Files. And under Advanced you have a few more, and these are Saved Passwords, Out of Inform Data, Site Settings, and also Media Licenses. So just mark all of them if you would like to remove everything, but for example, if you would like to have your saved passwords afterwards, just unmark them so they will not be deleted. But I would like to remove everything, and then just select the period of time, and in my case it would be all time. Finally tap on Clear Data, and that's it. You've just erased browsing history, and now it's empty, so there is no more data. Now you can create history and all browsing data from scratch. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.